Cody here. Welcome to BCS Switchgear. This is where we are doing our new UL 891 switchboards, and this is our production area to the right, our inventory to the left. Here is our production floor with all the boards we currently have going on being built up. You see we have several in process and being near finished to just getting the frames done. Not only does BCS do new equipment, but for the last 26 years we've done used reconditioned switchgear and circuit breakers and parts. So if you need any parts or older breakers that are obsolete, we also deal in those as well. Here are some of our reconditioned equipment, and there in front of you is a power vac NEMA 3R with 3 15 kV switches we're doing for a data center, and then another one with 6 switches and a power vac main breaker on it with a SEL 751 relay. This is some of our reconditioned 15 kV switchgear that we do. Have it all powder coated, sandblasted, powder coated, and put back together. And this is just temporary power for a data center, like I said. But we've totally reconditioned these pieces for outdoor environment. And then back again to our UL 891 switchboards. This is a distribution section here in front of us, a double-sided one with a new ABB T-Series breakers and using the Emax mains. This is our inventory there. We have over $4 million worth of ABB inventory in stock. And then back again to our used equipment that we have stored outside. As you can see, we got quite a bit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.